Hey guys, my name is Kevin. I've been working at Apollo as a mechanic for the last 6 months. Prior to working here, I didn't have any experience working with electric scooters, but I've always been fond of tinkering with cars, bikes, and anything with a motor. So it didn't take long to feel right at home with a scooter. Over the last year, Apollo has been developing a brand new servicing program, and we're looking for 10 technicians across Canada and the United States to join our pilot project. Over the course of a 12-week online program, you'll be provided with extensive training on scooter repairs, preventative maintenance, and troubleshooting, culminating in Apollo certification. Okay. But what exactly does being Apollo certified mean? Well, for starters, you'll be responsible for upholding the integrity of the Apollo brand. As a certified mechanic in your area, you'll be entrusted with keeping your community's riders on the road and out of the repair shop. Your Apollo certification also means you'll be compensated above market pay for your services, because good work deserves a good paycheck. If this sounds like a job you'd be interested in, even if you doubt your Grease Monkey credentials, we can get you road ready before Christmas. All we're asking for is a commitment of 4 to 8 hours a week. If this opportunity piques your interest, please apply using the link found in the description box below. I look forward to working alongside you.